Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you about Canva versus Photoshop, which is better. So these are two tools that often pop up when you're looking to create graphics. Canva. It's like your friendly neighborhood graphic design app. Super easy to use, drag and drop everything, and packed with templates. It is perfect if you're whipping up social media posts or presentations in minutes. No design skills required, plus it's a budget friendly, there's even a free version. Now Photoshop. That's the heavyweight champion for professionals. It's incredibly powerful, offering features like advanced photo editing, layering, and vector design. But heads up, it's not beginner friendly. You'll need time, patience, and maybe a tutorial or two. Oh, and it costs more too. So which is better? If you're a casual creator or small business owner, Canva's your best bet. But if you're aiming for detailed professional level designs, Photoshop is worth the investment. They both have their strengths. It depends on what you need. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.